Okay, now I was able to pull all three O-rings. One was broken and one had a little chip right here. So the broken one I'm gonna set it aside. So and I'm gonna put them back where they belong to. But before I do so, I really have to make sure there's nothing, no debris are left in the. Sometimes we can see some piece of plastic right here or right here, so that has to be clean. And also there might be also something inside, and I'm using a kind of trick to kind of blow it off from the stainless steel rod. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so see, here we have a little openings where the water is being distributed to the brush. So I'm gonna put it in my mouth actually, and I'm gonna blow it, and I can show you what those little pieces were hidden in the pipe. That one, and one is right here or two. So that was actually inside the pipe right here, and that needs to be obviously removed, and make sure that there's no debris like that, because pieces like that in the transmission, obviously they might cause future failure. Okay, so now here is my left side. It's pretty much good. So I'm always checking the bearings which are inside the transmission right here. So this is the bearing. The blue cover has to be there. There's a little rust right here, but that's no problem at this moment. So bearing is spinning, without any problems. I don't hear any loose balls or something like that. So it's good. And I'm gonna put the O-rings back. So I have certain order how to put it back. So let's start. We'll need a new one.